always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello.
Let's sing the alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Now this time, let's sing together.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
That was lovely. Hello, friend. It's so good to see you again. The rest of the gang is over at Sunshine Farm. Come on, let's join them.
What's this big box of dirt for, Pig?
I'm using it to plant vegetables.
You just used the letter of the day. The letter V. V makes the sound V in vegetables. Listen. V. Vegetables.
Vegetables.
Now you try.
Vegetables.
Wonderful!
What kind of vegetables? Vegetables. Thanks. What kind of vegetables are you planting, Pig?
Over here, I'm planting corn. Over here, I'm planting pumpkins. And over here, I'm planting carrots.
Can we help?
Sure, I need help digging holes for the seeds.
I love digging. I love helping. Me too, Hedgehog. Hey, Pig, how does this hole look?
That's very good, Monkey.
Pig, you used the letter of the day again. Very good. I dug a very good hole for very good vegetables. When do we plant the vegetable seeds, Pig?
After we're finished digging all of the holes.
In the meantime, here are more things that begin with V.
Violin. Violin. Volcano. Volcano. Vest. Vest. Vegetables. Vegetables.
What letter do all these words start with?
V.
That's right. The letter V.
Mr. Goose, can we trace a letter?
Absolutely. Let's practice making the letter V. Who can think of a fun way to do it?
Let's make letters in the sky with clouds.
Well, that sounds like a great idea. Hedgehog, show us how.
Okay. V.
Great!
I'll trace the next one. V.
Terrific tracing! Now, let's trace the lowercase letter.
I'll try next. V.
Nice job!
I want to try. V. Ooh.
You did it! Let's look at the letters we made. What's this letter?
V.
Exactly. Uppercase V. And what's this letter?
V.
That's right. Lowercase v. Nice job.
Wow! Cool!
Nice work, everybody.
Thank you, Mr. Goose. V.
Hey, everybody! Let's practice our letters by playing the alphabet game.
Yay!
I want to hear you, too. Let's all play the alphabet game. When I show you a letter, say its name. Are you ready?
Yeah!
What's this letter?
K!
What's this letter?
V!
What's this letter?
W!
What's this letter?
Y!
Now let's do it fast.
W! Y! K! V! K! W! V! Y! W! Y! K! V! W! K! Y! V!
Nice work, everybody. That's how you play the alphabet game. When you see a letter,
You say its name! The letter V!
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called Achoo. How loud is an elephant's sneeze? Let's read and find out. Let's begin. Achoo! Written by Deepa Balsavar, illustrated by Nancy Raj. Achoo! Went Monkey. She had a terrible cold. That was loud. I almost fell off the tree, said Cuckoo, poking his head through the leaves. Really? Asked Monkey. If this is loud, how loud do you think an elephant sneeze would be? I can only guess, said Cuckoo. Maybe as loud as this. Achoo! That's not loud enough, said Porcupine. An elephant sneeze is much louder than that. Achoo! He blew out his little cheeks and his pointy nose quivered. Grunt, grunt, said Wild Boar. That's not loud enough. An elephant sneeze must be huge. And taking a deep breath, she went, Achoo! Grunt, grunt. What's all this noise? Asked Deer. Do you know how loud an elephant sneeze is? Asked Monkey. I always sneeze politely, said Deer with a sniff. But an elephant must have a huge, disgusting sneeze like this. Achoo! Achoo! Excuse me. Achoo! All the animals jumped. Wild Buffalo joined the group. That's an elephant sneeze, he said proudly. Deer, Wild Boar, Porcupine, Cuckoo, and Monkey looked at him with admiration. Not bad, but not quite, purred a low voice. Wild Buffalo's nose quivered. Tiger leaped out from behind the bushes. She threw her head back, opened her mouth wide, and gave the loudest sneeze you could ever imagine. She went, Achoo! Elephant walked into the clearing. Pardon me, he said to Tiger. Do you have a cold too? I have one, and I am going to sneeze. What? Roared Tiger. What? Bellowed Wild Buffalo. What? Barked Deer. What? Grunted Wild Boar. What? Squealed Porcupine. What? Sang Cuckoo. Oh, wow, thought Monkey. Went Elephant. The whole forest waited. Here it comes, thought Monkey. That felt good, said Elephant. Nothing like a good sneeze to clear out the trunk. Then he looked around and wondered, where have all the others gone? Cuckoo began to laugh. Now do you know how big an elephant sneeze is? He asked Monkey. Yes, said Monkey, but not another question, wailed Cuckoo and flew hurriedly away. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids.
Hello, Mr. Frog.
Let's sing Itsy Bitsy Spider.
I don't know that song.
You don't know it yet. I'll teach it to you. And look what I have in my backpack. My maracas. I'll sing the song first, then you sing along with me. Okay, let's begin. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Now this time we'll all sing together, okay?
Okay.
Yeah! Yes! I'm ready!
Here we go. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Well done!
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
Thank you for singing with me. Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
We're about to practice our counting together. Come on! Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't stop now, let's count some more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're doing great. When we see some flowers or butterflies or stars, we count so we can find out how many things there are. Ba-ba-da-ba-bam. Let's look for things to count.
Oh, I'm not very good at counting by myself. You're not very good yet. I'll help you. Let's count lily pads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lily pads. Now let's count Mr. Frog's hats together. 1, 2, 3. How many in all? 3? Yeah, you got it! Now you try, Hedgehog. Count the musical instruments. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many in all? 4! You did it! Thanks, Monkey. Hey, I have an idea. Let's count all the cattails. Yeah!
That may take a while. See you soon!
Monkey! Monkey! Where is he? Oh, what was that? Did you hear that? Look! Where do you think Monkey is? Hi! Yay! Hi, Monkey! Hi, Hedgehog! You found me! No, we found you! Hi!
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. Let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. If that mockingbird won't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring. If that diamond ring turns brass, Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass. If that looking glass gets broke, Mama's gonna buy you a billy goat. If that billy goat won't pull, Mama's gonna buy you a cart and bull. If that cart and bull turn over, Mama's gonna buy you a dog named Rover. If that dog named Rover won't bark, Mama's gonna buy you a horse and cart. If that horse and cart fall down, you'll still be the sweetest little baby in town.